underway. You can kill my mouth for flow. Hold me till I scream or every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with CurlsCurls, okay? And it's the same packaging as last time. I'm seeing the wig, and what I got along with that for today's package is just this booklet. Nothing else came in the box. It says CurlsCurls. It's telling you how to cleanse your wig and stuff like that. You know the norm. Yeah, pretty much that, how to cleanse it and maintain it, and you know how to stop shedding. All those very informative stuff is on this pamphlet here. All right, so for today's wig, let's go ahead and get to it. So I did get this extra pair of, like, you know those little combs you can put on the wig. Yeah, I got that in the package. I got this Kinky curly texture wig here in 16 inches long. All right, I'm going to put the density and everything. This is some awesome, like, human hair. It's 100% virgin here, okay? Now let's get to the construction of this, guys. This is not a lace wig that we're working with today. So this is a slip-on and go, ultimate slip-on and go. It's not a headband wig, it's not a lace front wig. This is one of those wigs with the bangs, the curl, that curly look. I've never really tackled that look before. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It's a complete wig cap underneath, like wig cap construction, you know, no lace, no nothing, no T-part, no nothing. It has a total of 3 combs on the inside, and it has adjustable bands, like extra elastic bands inside, and adjustable straps in the back. And this is a very kinky curly texture. As you can see, you know, the name of the company is CurlsCurls. So yeah, the wigs are gonna be curly. Yeah, this is a natural 1B color. Looks very natural. All right, very natural. This is where the center is, like this is the whole bang portion here in the front. It's very full, very thick. It's that nice natural kinky curly pattern. You can imagine when you wet this up, it's really pretty. Or if you want to go ahead with the volume, you can, you know, opt to just wear it like this. So what I'm gonna do is just slip this on for you guys right now so you can see how it's looking. Whoa. This is different. If you want a big fro too, I think this is your wig. Definitely I've never done anything like this. This is so different for me. I'm happy that I can, like, I've been giving you guys different kind of wigs, and I'm happy that I've been doing that. You know what this reminds me of? I feel like I low-key look like one of those babies. I'm not saying I look like a baby, just hear me out. With the fro look, I feel like I look like Penny Proud little baby sister. Yeah, is it a girl? It's a girl, right? With the big black fro. Even though this is not Eve, I could definitely, what I don't know is say I'm going to go ahead and wet this up, right? But I low-key could leave it like this. It's just that I want to show you guys this in like at least 2 different states. This is so different for me. I've never really given this look a chance. I don't think it's that bad. I don't think it's bad on me at all. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. This is so convenient, and it's very secure. Remember, combs are on the inside of the wig. Okay, combs are inside, so like you don't need to worry about it like falling off your head or whatever. You know, adjustable strap in the back, comb inside the wig. Like, what more could you ask for in terms of security, right? It feels good. Of course, you know, this texture, you need to continuously moisturize it, else it's going to get dry. It's kinky curly. All right, let's not fool ourselves here. It needs moisture, so you're going to have to, you know, keep on reapplying some moisturizer to it to maintain, you know, just the wig overall. I can't stop playing it because I'm trying to get it bigger and bigger for you guys. I have never done this big fro look, and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I feel like a true soul sister. Okay, yeah, this is more of a chatty review because like it's not a lot of work. I feel like the most you can do is like shape up any portion that, you know, parts that are kind of like not like the ends, if there are parts that are longer than other parts. But for the most part, this week it feels like quality. It does feel like quality, so I love that. Yeah, I can't complain. This look is different from me, and I know a lot of females out there that love this big look. If you're one of them, comment it down below and let me know. This is just amazing. It's just amazing. It's giving me Diana Ross, you know. It's really giving Soul Train, you know. Oh my gosh, CurlsCurls. Yes, you guys did it once again, because it's not the first time that I'm working with CurlsCurls, and they seem to be a company that gives good quality in their wigs. I feel like if you're looking for a very, like, okay, you definitely need to maintain this wig, but in terms of application and stuff, if you don't know nothing about wigs and you love this kind of look, it's a go. Super beginner friendly, super easy to apply. It's easy to frame to your face because the hair is kinky curly and it's kind of easy to mold, especially in its dry state. So like you don't have to worry about you know, it being hard to kind of like mold, because I'm just here playing around with it and it is coming together. Oh, so different. It's so different. It's so much hair, man. It is so much hair. So I'm just giving you guys it in its dry state right now because I'm gonna wet it up in a few. So you see how the curls are much more defined and they definitely look, you can see that it's moisturized. So I feel like with this look, for me personally, I think you definitely need that volume to make it pop, because that's the kind of hairstyle that it is. I personally prefer it looking moisturized like this. I love how much more defined the curls look. It's a big, if you are that girl that love big voluminous, you know, that big voluminous look, this is the look for that. Like no hassle at all, none whatsoever. You can wear this wig absolutely anywhere that you please. It's a go. It's a go. I personally, I don't always like hair down in my face, but I feel like for the right occasion, I've never done this look before, so yeah. It's different for me. Thanks to CurlsCurls for pulling me outside of my comfort zone with this one, okay? Because I've never done this look. So shout out to them for that. Shout out to them for that. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as the specifications. This review, this wig look was pretty much to the point. Don't take much time at all to achieve this look at all. It's just literally slip on and shape up the hair with your hands and you're good to go. You might have to just clip off, you know, to your liking, however you want to further shape the hair. Go ahead, do that. But this is it for the final look. Leave your thoughts down below if this video was an informative one, because I definitely think this is the quickest wigging style ever. Okay, yeah. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.
baby.